In Sweden, summer isn't just vacation. For many people, it's also their first job. It's called a Sommarjobb, a temporary job during the summer months. Often simple, often repetitive, and almost always remembered. For many teenagers, it's a first step, a first salary, a first routine that isn't school, and a first sense of responsibility. The jobs are usually practical, working in a cafe, grocery store, cutting grass, cleaning, serving ice cream. Nothing complicated, but very real. There's a certain feeling to it. Waking up early, doing the same task again and again. Learning how long a day can actually feel. You meet new people, other summer workers, people you might not have met otherwise, and for a few weeks that becomes your world. The salary isn't the main thing, but it matters, because it's yours. Earn slowly, hour by hour, and if you earn under the limit, it's tax-free, making those first few thousand crowns feel like a fortune. In Sweden, summer is a break, but also a beginning. And for many, it starts with a job that only lasts a few weeks, but stays much longer. Subscribe for more insights into Swedish culture, work, and everyday life, the Swedish way.